Hey, this is Voices for Learning, where we help you grow as a voice actor. My name is Susan Fouché. Thank you so much for watching this video. In this video, I am going to show you how to make some money doing voiceovers on Fiverr, and in particular, how to increase your sales by bolstering your 5-star reviews by using quick responses. So here we go. All right, so here we are in Fiverr. And before I go into how to improve your 5-star rating, I wanted to show you an example of what a 5-star rating actually looks like. So after you finish your order and you send your order off and the client approves and pays you and everything, they give you a review. And you can get, 5 out of 5 stars, 4 out of 5 stars, whatever. Now, the 5-star ratings, the ratings really do help you in your search on Fiverr, or they can hurt you in your search results on Fiverr. So of course, we always want to get the highest score possible. Now, the client has the opportunity, of course, to write a review. They type up, what they liked about you, if they recommend you, etc., etc. But they rate you based on 3 components. Those 3 components are communication with seller. In other words, did I communicate well with my seller, with my client? Was the service as it was described in the gig description? And would they buy it again? Would they buy my service, my product again, or recommend me? And so this is what you're graded on. Now, a really, really easy way to bolster your 5-star rating is to hit this first one really hard, which is the communication with seller. If you know that this is what you're going to be graded on, then go ahead and just beef it up and make it so that they can say, hey, maybe the recording sucked, but their communication was really, really good, which pretty much, you're not going to have somebody say well, the communication was really, really good, but the product sucked. They're going to say the communication was great, and I was so blown away with the communication that I maybe overlooked something with the product, and I just thought the product was perfect anyway. So one of the things that I do for my communication is I really take advantage of the quick responses in Fiverr. And let me show you what those look like. Okay, so here I am in an order, and I want to show you kind of how I handle my quick responses. Quick responses are just right here in the order. They're going to be always down at the bottom of your orders, and they're also going to be in your messages. So these are things that you set up yourself. Let me show you kind of how I handle my quick responses and the order that I utilize them once I get an order in Fiverr. So here you can see that I've got a bunch of quick responses, but at the top I have number 1, number 2, number 3, and number 4, and it just goes in that order. So as soon as I get an order, I send out my first number 1 quick response, which is, dear client name, thanks for your order. I appreciate your business. I'll get started shortly, and I'll reach out if I have any questions about your recording. I look forward to working with you. Sincerely, Susan. So the minute I get their order, I go into my quick response and I just send this out. Boom, that's all I do. It's just letting them know, communication 101, hey, Susan got my order, she's seen it, she's working on it. Now, once I am ready to start recording, I go ahead and delete this. I go to my quick response number 2. So once I'm ready to start my recording and I'm ready to get going on the actual order and nothing is preventing me from doing this order, then I go ahead and do number 2, which is, hi, username, just letting you know I'm starting your recording right now. I'll deliver your high quality WAV files shortly. Please reach out if you have any questions for me. Thanks again for hiring me to record your voiceover. Thanks so much, Susan. So this is right before I'm starting to record. Now, if in the process of recording, I get to a point where I do have a question, then of course I reach out to them and contact them and say, hey, I have a really quick question. How do I do this or whatever? But this just lets them know I am starting. So again, communication. We always want to get those 5-star reviews. And this is just a really, really easy way to do this. So let me go into number 3. The number 3 quick response is as I have finished recording, as I've mastered, as I've edited, as I've uploaded the recording to Fiverr and I'm getting ready to send them the recording, I use the number 3 quick response. And here's what that looks like. Dear username, hi username, whoops. Thanks again for your order. Your high quality WAV file is enclosed. And of course, if there's more than one WAV file, if there's multiple, then I just simply add a little S and I change the is, sorry, to an R. Your high quality WAV files are enclosed. If there are any problems, please let me know. I'll help you as soon as I can. Thanks again and best of luck with this project. Please send me a link to the finished product. I would love to hear it or see it. I'll get into that, and I'll get into a point about that in just a minute. If you liked your recording, please leave a review and a tip. Now, you can ask for this. I'm not saying, hey, leave me a tip. I'm just saying, hey, if you liked it, please leave me a review and a tip. It's okay. Also, be sure to save my gig so that we can work together again. And if you're interested in watching me work in my awesome job as a voice actor, please visit my YouTube channel. Shameless promotion. But you know what? Why not? I mean, if they liked working with me, maybe they want to see my YouTube channel. Why not? Thanks again for your business. I appreciate you hiring me. Have a great day, Susan. So that is number 3. That is once I send them their recording. And then I have a number 4. And the number 4 recording is for after I have, finished everything out, the client has approved, I know I'm going to get paid, then I send out my number 4 quick response. And here's what that says. Username, I really appreciate you as a client. I wanted to tell you again, thank you for your business. As always, I'm here for you, and I look forward to hearing from you soon about helping you with more voiceovers. Sincerely, Susan. In other words, hey, I liked working with you. Come back and see me. I would love to, work for you again. So these are just my quick responses that I always use for every single order. Now, I have a lot of repeat business. I still send out my quick responses exactly as written. I think my clients at this point know that once they hear that first one, they know they're in the system. They know it's going to be good quality work. They know I'm going to communicate with them. So it's totally fine to send out the same thing over and over and over and over again. We all have automated responses. It's completely fine. But to bolster your 5-star rating, be sure and communicate like crazy with your client and utilize these quick responses that Fiverr has for you. I mean, Fiverr has so many wonderful things that you can use to really help you in your business. Utilize them. They're very, very, very easy to use. So thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video and if it was helpful and useful to you, be sure and give me a thumbs up. I really would appreciate that. I'm a growing channel, and leave a comment. I would love to hear about you and maybe what your quick responses were that you use for your Fiverr gigs. So thanks so much. Have a great day. I'll see you next time. Bye.